welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. Today's video is going to be lovely collection of floral prints in different materials. It's going to be jute silk, chanderi, matka silks, very lovely designs, beautiful flowy materials we have in today's video. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848-51299. I repeat, it's 93848-51299. And without fail, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. For whoever new to our channel, our store is located in Chennai, Mandavli. You can visit our store from morning 10:30 to evening 8:30. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. Very beautiful Bhagalpuri silk saree. Nice pattern. Both the sides, the border is a printed border with a beautiful tricolor in the saree, and we have small embroideries running throughout the saree. The material is really a flowy, soft material. You'll just love the material. The pallu of the saree is this with print, with tassels, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1420. In the same pattern, we have few colors. This is again a tricolor pattern with different color, blue, orange, and grey color. We have embroidery throughout the saree, small embroideries, very pretty shade. So this is how the body of the saree is, beautiful one. And the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse will be a contrast blouse for this saree. This is the blouse of the saree in grey, and the price of this saree is 1420. We have one more lovely combination in the same pattern. This is the next combination, pink, yellow, and green in the bottom. Very beautiful small embroideries, flowy material. You'll just love these kind of materials. Whoever loves flowy material will just love this material. This is the body of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1420. A very beautiful soft matka silk saree, a very beautiful design with a small ajrak border, and throughout the body it's a bandhani design. You have a nice flow and a shine in this saree, looks really classy. And the pallu of the saree is this, ajrak pallu, the plain blouse for this saree, and the price of the saree is 1290. A very pretty grey color matka silk saree. A body is light grey and the border is dark grey with ajrak border, and throughout the body it's a beautiful bandhani design running through the body. It's all digital print, and the material is really super soft and super flowy material. The pallu of the saree is this, an ajrak pallu, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1290. A very beautiful dark onion shade with a brown color border on the contrast with small ajrak pattern border, and throughout the body it's a beautiful bandhani design running through the body. The pallu of the saree is this, a pretty ajrak pallu, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1290. Very beautiful matka silk saree again, with a light mehendi green with a dark bottle green border with ajrak border, and throughout the body it's a beautiful bandhani design, very soft material. The pallu of the saree is this, very pretty pallu, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1290. A very pretty floral printed matka silk saree with small contrast border on both the sides, and the body is a light peach color shade with a lovely floral print running through the body. The pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 1290. In the matka silk saree, it's a nice yellow shade with lovely floral print. This is the body of the saree. Very pretty design, beautiful shade, and the pallu of the saree is this, very pretty design. The flow of the material is really soft, and you have a beautiful shine in the saree which makes the saree look really grand. And the price of the saree is 1290. The next is going to be a pretty light green, beautiful floral print in light green with dark green combination in the borders. This is the body of the saree, and the pallu of the saree is this, and the price of this saree is 1290. A nice beautiful chanderi saree A lovely orange shade with lovely floral print. Both the sides a zari border, and throughout the body it's a very beautiful floral print, and the material will be really soft. You'll love the material. The pallu of the sari is this with tassels, and the blouse of the sari is this, a contrast blouse, and the price of this sari is 1320. In the same pattern, it's a beautiful peachish pink color combination. Very beautiful, lovely floral print with zari borders on both the sides. So this is how the sari looks. The body of the sari is this, a lovely color combination, and the pallu of the sari is this, very beautiful pallu, and the body of the sari is this. The price of the sari is 1320. The next color is a nice green, beautiful shade. This is the body of the sari. The next color is more of a darker lime green, I could say like that. It's more of a darker lime green or a light parrot green, that kind of a shade. It's the body of the sari. Very flowy material with zari borders on both the sides. The next color is a lovely yellow, happy yellow. So this is the body of the sari. Beautiful shade, and the price of this sari is 1320. A very lovely kalamkari pattern in the jute silk sari. Both the sides a nice floral pattern border with a lovely kalamkari design running throughout the body, and the body color is more of a mango yellow shade. And the pallu of the sari is this rich kalamkari design, and the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of the sari is 880. In the same pattern we have some nice lovely combination. This is a nice orange. This is the body of the sari. Beautiful orange. It's not too bright. It's more of a light orange in kalamkari pattern. This is the body of the sari, and the pallu of the sari is this. Beautiful design. The next color is a light brown. You could see this, a very light brown. The colors are all very different in this. This is the body of the sari, and the pallu of the sari is this, and the price of the sari is 880. The next color in the same pattern is going to be a light greenish gray shade. Looks really lovely, beautiful color shade, and the price of this sari is 880. Very beautiful jute silk sari in a very different shade of mauve shade, more of a dark mauve shade. Very beautiful color with small edged sari. Very different design. Throughout the body it's more of an abstract pattern design. The pallu of the sari is this, kalamkari pallu, more like an ajrak pallu actually, and the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of the sari is 880. A very beautiful jute silk sari with nice grey color combination, lovely print, beautiful print with small border on both the sides. Looks really classy. This is the pallu of the sari, and the blouse of the sari is this, and the price of the sari is 880. A very beautiful green color jute silk sari, lovely design with a nice geometric pattern. Very pretty sari, and the pallu of the sari is this, and the blouse again will be a floral printed blouse. This is the blouse of the sari. Very pretty design this sari is, dark elaichi green. The next color in the same pattern is going to be we could say a dark onion peel shade, that kind of a color. Looks really classy. I'm just trying to give you the exact color how much ever possible, because it might look different in the videos. Very beautiful collection, and the pallu of the sari is this, and the price of this sari is 880. The next is a brown, nice brown. This is the body of the sari. Very pretty shade. and the price of this saree is 880. A very beautiful green color jute silk saree. A nice floral pattern design running throughout the body of the saree. Very simple neat designs. The pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 880. In the same pattern we have some nice different colors. This is more of a pink and a maroon mixed shade. This is the body of the saree. Beautiful design, simple elegant design and easy to wear sarees. This is the pallu of the saree. Very simple maintenance. The next is going to be a beautiful blue, more of an indigo blue shade combinations, light and dark. This is the body of the saree, and the pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse of the saree is going to be in the same print. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of this saree is 880. A beautiful brown color jute silk saree in a nice block print design. Both the sides small border with a lovely block print running through the body. The material will be really soft and it will drape very beautifully. The pallu of the saree is this, and the blouse of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 880. In the same pattern, it's a nice dark elephant grey shade. Looks really nice. This is the body of the saree, more like a block printed design, Jaipur prints, and the pallu is more like an ajrak print. Looks really nice. Very pretty color, dark elephant grey. The next color is a dark brown, nice dark brown wood color. This is the body of the saree, and the pallu of the saree is this, and the price of the saree is 880. The next is going to be a dark green combination, very pretty shade. Lovely design, beautiful dark green with a lovely ajrak pallu, and the price of this saree is 880. Thanks for watching the video. I'm sure you would have liked the lovely collections. To purchase these sarees, take a screenshot and send us to the number 93848 I repeat, it's 93848 Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye.